how you get started with Target's affiliate program. Google Target affiliate program and click the first link right here. It will take you to this page and just click the apply now button. Just fill out your information. It is all free, and you can even see the agreement right here that you're going to sign up for. In this program, you can get up to 8% commission for each product that you sell. After you sign up, you'll get a link, and that link you can attach any product to that you can promote. The simplest way to promote this is through TikTok or Instagram, something there where you can show pictures or a video about you explain how awesome this product is and how it has helped you in your life. Just do that over and over and over again for that product or the series of products, or different shirts or whatever you would like to promote, and then just drive everyone to a link, your link that has a product on the other side that they can go buy. If you have any more questions, just drop them below and I'll answer them for you.